In this quick tutorial, I am going to show you how to upload something in Google Drive and share link. So if you want to upload something, you have to click on this plus icon here. Now you have to click on this upload option here. Now you have to select file which you want to upload. So let's say I have to upload this file. So now you can click on it and let's start uploading. After that, if you want to copy this file link, you have to click on this three dot here. After that, you will see this option, and now you have to click on share option here. After that, you will see this interface. Now you have to click on this lock option, and here you will see this option. You have to click on this option here. Now you have to select viewer option. After that, you have to click again on this link, and now you have to click on copy link and copy this file link. And after copying this file link, you can share this link your friend, and your friend can able to access this file. So that's how you can create Google Drive file and upload something and share to your friends his link. So if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel.